So we'll see how it's supposed to be. Now, old is V3, verb with ED form. Okay. Benefits, noun with S. And you can benefit from something also, verb with S and noun with S both. Magnificent is beautiful, adjective. Of this, awestruck you must have heard of, right? Surprised in a positive way, adjective. Okay. And species, noun. Then material, noun, thing. Tremendous, OUS, huge in quantity, is something in a big amount or, in big volume. It can be anything, something very huge, like in a lot, huge in, so many of them, something like tremendous, huge. So it has so many parts. So the value, and you can value someone, verb and noun both. So here what we need is Charles Darwin is your subject, new is V2 form of the verb. So I think this is the whole paragraph is in past tense. New intuitively, that is your subordinate conjunction. Tropical forest, subject, where is your verb? Places, object of this energy. And this. Intuitive is your noun, and energy is your noun. We need an adjective here. This is were dash by. He and his cohort means his colleagues of scientific naturalists, sorry. They all are your subject. Verb is this. Sometimes, by is there. Okay, so this is collocation based. Okay, so most people think it can be V3 plus by is there, no? So adjective can also there. Adjective preposition collocation. Then they, okay, were by the beauty of this, and then there is a comma. Where is your subordinate conjunction? They is your subject, collected is V2. Thousands, 10,000s of object, 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 dash, 10,000s of dash new to, dash new to science. So we need noun and new is your adjective here. Sometimes you will find here and there new dress, new is your adjective. So we need noun here. Next to its, it should be noun no matter what. Noun with S or noun with no S. Its value, it's anything. Usually next to it's examples for now. I will see if we are getting any help. Adjective, we have 1, 2, 3. 3 adjectives we have for this one. Here also we have 3 adjectives plus ed. Okay, 1 ed, form of the verb. Here we need noun. I think we have 1, 2, 3, 4 nouns. We have here also 4 nouns. It means we are not getting enough help from the grammar. We need to solve it. So Darwin knew intuitively that tropical forests were places of dash intricacy and energy. We need an adjective. Of intricacy is not making sense. Tremendous or magnificent? Magnificent is beautiful. So energy cannot be beautiful. Intricacy is complexity. It can be huge energy and huge complexity. Tremendous will make more sense. This is the first one. He and his cohorts of scientific naturalists were dashed by the beauty of neotrophics. Were dashed by, were owned by, or upped by? Upped by will make more sense. Awestruck. So yeah, where they collected thousands, tens of thousands of dash new to science. What can be new to science? Benefits can be new to science? No. Material new to the science, not making any sense. Here it's species is they're talking about something, tropical forest and all, so species will make more sense. Species new to science. But they couldn't have guessed at the complete contents of the rainforest. They had no idea of its dash to humankind. Its benefits to humankind or its value to humankind. Its value to humankind is making more sense. No, its benefits is not making sense. With its value is making more sense. Benefits to. It has benefits for benefits. It has so many benefits. Value to. It is adding value to something. So you have to see this also and this also. So value is making more sense. How you will get it? If you're reading a lot of English content every day, if you're reading every day half an hour, you will never get confused in this kind of words, values, value, or benefits. So yeah, this is it. Clear, guys?